Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a curly page. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you need to know is to double click on the background layer. It will create a layer 0. Secondly, pick the shape tool, the rectangle shape tool. Choose your color to be white and highlight this place. Drag the rectangle layer beneath the layer 0. Our next stage is look for the rectangular marquee tool. Highlight a portion of this place and now pick your gradient tool. This tool over here, gradient tool. Make sure your color is black and white like this. So just drag it. Drag it from down to up, something like this. So now after that, press Ctrl T to transform the image. Ctrl T, right click and pick warp, and now hold the tip of it and drag it upwards like this. Keep dragging it like this. And you are done. You can change the color of the background by clicking this place and choose any color you want. Or you can double click and pick a gradient style. You click gradient overlay and now you can choose any gradient you want. I think this one is okay. So this is how you create a curly page. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video.